Okay, so I am walking into O'Reilly's. This is part of our errands today. I got a visor because the passenger visor in Phoenix fell down.
How cool is that? Rachel, that works at O'Reilly's, found a screw that fell out of the visor box and brought it out to us before we left the parking lot.
Woohoo! So, whoa, just walked by a car full of dogs. So I'm really excited because I just got carpet for the flooring of Phoenix at Dollar Tree. Stay tuned, y'all. Jana has never been to a Sportsman's Warehouse, so we're taking a detour. You ready?
Taking a tour.
We're taking a tour. You're gonna love this store. Are we in heaven yet?
Yeah.
Yeah. What'd you find, Jana?
A collapsible chimney, charcoal like mine.
She's in heaven.
I am.
Look at this whole row of stuff.
Lodge,
Yeah.
Get me.
This is not something I was expecting.
You from Texas?
No ma'am, I'm from Phoenix.
Hey, okay.
Well, you sound like us, and we're from
I know.
Texas.
So,
I grew up at the racetrack.
here. And then
Awesome. Thank you.
ladies, anything? No, I think we're good. Okay, awesome.
Okay, guys, we are back home in our beautiful, beautiful camp. And I didn't film the rest of the day. We got so tired. We have gone through the heater core bypass, taking out all the old cabin, the rug in the cab, Bandit being in ICU, and today was major errand catch-up day. We went to 5 or 6 different places, and we ended at Walmart and got a bunch of stuff and are now back home. And so I don't know where I was in the video clips, and as you know, I really don't do edited videos, so I'm the whizzy whiz girl. What you see is what you get. And so I thought I better hurry up and close this video today. And that's just what our day was, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please subscribe and share. I'd really appreciate it. We'll see you down the road, everybody. Keep on keeping on. Thank you, Dubs, for holding down the camp while we were gone. This is Dubs walking her beautiful kitty, Stryker.
Give her back.